Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will be going to learn how to make a static UI page. So for this tutorial I have made only the home page of LinkedIn. So this is a whole static website and I haven't designed each and every component of LinkedIn just as the site looks, but here was the demo. So yeah, this is what I have designed, and you might be saying where are the other divisions, means the messaging and all, which were located at the bottom. So this is just a starting point. So if you reach till this point, then obviously you are going to get an idea of how to design the other components of this website. So this is just a demo purpose, and this is not the exact copy of LinkedIn, you can say. I have modified the icons and all. So yeah, so you can try to do it yourself, and maybe if you are looking to make your own website, then this can be a basic starting idea of how you can proceed. So yeah, so as this site is responsive, so I just press Ctrl Shift J on my keyboard, and so here you can test the responsiveness by just expanding or contracting this tab. So yeah, just for a demo purpose I have given the pixel size so small so that you can have a similar mobile view look here. It won't be as perfect on mobile, but you can configure that by your own. But just for demo purpose I have shrink this more so that you can get a perfect mobile view. So anyways, we will look it later into the tutorial. So yeah, so this is the UI, and you can say that as I shrink the tab, then this all things comes up, and the icons which were here at the starting points just came down. So yeah, as this is a static page, so you can see that all the data here is static, and obviously you can connect it with your backend server like Mongo and Firebase. So the learning part here is how the responsiveness work and how you can create such a website. And yeah, I haven't used Bootstrap or any other CSS frameworks here. So this is also a way where you can learn more CSS and look in a closer way how you can design a responsive website, because more companies nowadays don't prefer Bootstrap and all. They want to make their own responsive site. So this might be useful to you. So let us continue in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.